kids, welcome to Hannah and Ellie Happy World. Today we are making German cookies. Now we need 125 grams of butter, like this. Now we need 50 grams of icing sugar.
You put it in and you whisk it.
That's a lot of lumps.
Whisk it until there's no lumps. Yeah, you whisk it until it's smooth and there's no more lumps. Well done.
We need what?
120 grams of all-purpose flour.
Flour.
And we have to sieve it. You can also sieve it with a spoon, it's faster.
Like what I'm doing.
Yeah, this is to take away the lumps or if you keep too long the flour.
Look at parts. I can use this and
Yeah, see, it comes so fine.
Yeah. We need 50 grams of potato
95 grams of potato flour, and we're gonna sieve it into the all-purpose flour just now, the same bowl.
Now we need to use the spoon.
Yeah, spoon is easier to sieve, you see.
So I can use this. Now we need 2 tablespoons of milk powder.
Okay, we already put one. Here's another one.
And now we need a pinch of salt.
Alright.
Now we mix everything. If you want to use spatula, you can use like me. If you want to use the whisk, speaker, you can use. My whisk is already full of butter, that's why I use this.
Yeah, mix it evenly.
Now we put a bit of the
Flour, the dry
dry
ingredient,
ingredients
into the butter and slowly whisk it. And use a spatula, yeah, to mix it.
And then later you put some more.
Yeah, then add a little bit more. You can use the spoon to take. Okay, Hannah, you can put some more. Use the spoon. You can put more. You can put more. Okay, then you mix. Yes. Now we're just gonna mix everything to form a dough.
Once the dough is formed,
See, our dough is so round and smooth. It'll be very soft.
you take the baking pan and you take a bit of sesame seed and some chocolate chip.
Yeah,
I
then use to
ate some.
decorate.
First, we make the small little body, and then we make the 2 little ears, and then,
Then
we
you
put
take a
the
toothpick.
toothpick,
You have to press it down for the ears. And then
you
you
put
take
the 2 chocolate chips.
chocolate chips. And I put,
Okay, the here,
this is the
Pink.
horn. One more.
one more for the
For the
other
horn.
one.
The other horn. And later on, you can take the,
Here.
yeah, and then you take sesame.
The sesame seed.
Just stick it to the eye. Yeah, wait. Oh, hold on, Alisa. Hold on.
Hold on, Ellie.
Okay, come, you show. Show. Wow, it's so cute.
Fun.
And now it's rolling the small balls. Then you put it on the head. Then after that, you take a toothpick and press it down. Wait. Make sure you press it a little bit so that when you bake it, it will stick on. Then you use a chocolate chip. Put it at the side.
And the horns.
Yeah, for the horns on side. You want more
It's so
horns?
fun, huh, mommy?
Yeah. Okay, Hannah, you put the one.
Okay.
Maybe you put this one.
Okay. I want to put this.
Nice. One more side. Yep. Then the eyes.
Then, one. I eat.
Ah. Okay, put the sesame seed as the eye.
And maybe I just watch TV, but it still cries. Yes, it's coming. Ellie.
Make another one. After this, it's ready. You put in the oven for 180 Celsius, 15 to 20 minutes.
Yay! The first batch is out of the oven already. You can follow this recipe.
And the second batch is going in soon. Yummy. Look at the cow, it's so cute.
So yummy. Please subscribe here for my latest video. Bye.